What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be changing things up. Instead of playing Farm Sim, we will be playing Off-Road Outlaws. Let's go. So, I'm going to use the speedy four-wheeler that I have here. Really good method if you ever have this game to just go through and rate cars. I'm just going to rate 3 more. Gives you gold. I'm sure most people know that. But, so yeah. Gives you 10 gold every 10 cars. So, we will get right into it. So, we will do a multiplayer free roam on a custom map. What map should we do? Once I get a little bit more money, we can do a custom build. A custom four-wheeler build. And I think if I can get enough money, hear me out, we will do a Braden Price, his Can-Am Outlander. Hear me out. So we're on the four-wheeler. Get this thing a rippin'. This thing will rip. Let me tell ya. So we need to zoom out. How do we do that? Don't mind me, guys. I'm trying to get the camera fixed. There we go. My four-wheeler's not the fastest four-wheeler, but I mean, it's pretty fast for the most part. So, this video is probably going to be a short one, but I need recommendations down in the comments on what game I should play next. Or what kind of like role play or like what kind of stuff should I try to do next? What kind of content would you guys enjoy? Drop it down in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoy the content, smash that like button. Give it a smash. And if you really enjoy the content and you want to be notified whenever I post another video, click the subscribe button and the little ring ding ding bell thing down there, so you'll never miss out another upload. So we're gonna send her. let me know, because this summer, let me know if this summer you guys want to see some actual, like, real life riding videos. I can make them too. It's whatever you guys want. So, I just remembered something. I think I'm going to include a little tip. Oh, that guy's going backwards. Nice. Ooh. Okay. So, if you go into... Oh, come on. Not an ad. Don't mind that. Just some ads. If you go into play, single player, desert, you will spawn in one of two locations. You'll either spawn here, or you'll spawn, I believe, over there. But there is an easy money method. So if you follow my trail, you should see a box over here. And then you loop around, you follow these rocks, and not always, they don't always spawn every time, but there should have been a box right on the other side of that point. So there's not in there, so now you can go ahead, speed over here, excuse me, I didn't mean to jump that hard, but so if you come up here, there's a 10-15% chance you'll find a big crate. It'll be right about right here. If you don't find one here, that's okay. They don't always spawn. That one's probably the rarest one, in my opinion. You come over here to the other side. Now there should be a crate. Click on that crate. Keep coming around. Now if you head this way, over this jump, you gotta be careful though, because there might be one right here. No, there is not. So then what you want to do is you want to loop back around. Oop. Loop back around. And then there should have been one somewhere around here. So if you don't find one there, there's the rocks again over there where I spawned. Oh, come on. No, come on. Well, guys, that's probably going to be it. That's just a quick money method. Look in here. There might be some. Another thing, though. If you find, like, a source of water and you have a snorkel on your vehicle, drive into the water, most preferably on a four-wheeler, and look underneath the water. Sometimes there's crates that spawn underneath the water. So yeah, that's a very useful tip. Usually the crates there are pretty decent sized too. So it's pretty easy to spot if you're looking close enough. But other than that, nothing else really. hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. As always, smash a like down in the... Smash a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to keep up with the... See, this is where I'm not good at, so I'm just gonna say subscribe if you want to, like if you want to, and that'll be it for today's video.